fin.
Yeah.
So
First
you don't
cut.
go down to the bone, backbone, okay? Flip it over. Get a hold of it. Now you're taking the skin off it.
Oh, beautiful.
That's your fillet. Then you just got to take the rib cage out.
Nice.
You flip it over. You do the same thing on the other side. Easy peasy.
Wow. Beats the heck out of stealing it.
I've done a few thousand of these over my lifetime, so
You
got it down.
How many pounds would you say
Nope.
that is?
Oh, look at that.
That's about a
Beautiful.
2-pounder. Perfect eating size. These are restaurant size right here.
Yeah, nice.
The best eaters.
How many did you catch that one?
We only got 5 today. Yeah, we should have went to Kingsville.
Okay.
That's
Oh, yeah?
it.
You just went out from Leamington? Is that where you went today?
No, Colchester.
Colchester, really?
But we're 10 miles up.
Sweet.
We're like those islands that you see out here right now.
Yeah.
Like we're just there. The other side of the shipping channel. Where you see these ships going by, we're on the other side.
Oh, okay.
Holy.
And then the rib
Walleye.
cages are just, you just scoop out underneath.
Okay. So how big of a boat do you have?
We're on a 20-footer today. There you go.
Beautiful.
Wow.
And you always end up with this one last bone on the end, and then, but not a bone on